In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run ads on Pinterest. So first of all, obviously what we want to do is we want to go onto Pinterest, go onto the website here, and we want to make sure that we are logged in. I'm going to log in with Google, so down here like this, hit this one here, and boom, it's going to bring us to the login page like this. Now from here, we want to go to ads.pinterest.com like this. And we want to create ourselves a business account. So click create business account. Now it's going to ask you for your email. I've already got my email in here, so you're going to click continue. And now it's going to ask for your profile name. So I'm just going to put this. And your website. Do you have a website? I'm just going to say yes. Actually, I'm going to say no for now. So it's going to ask for next. What's the focus of your brand? Whatever you do, say education. What are your goals? Generate leads, drive traffic, grow awareness. Pick your goals. Get recommendations based on what you do. So for me, I would say we're like a creator. So we do this. Cool. Click done. Now it's gonna ask you where would you like to start. Share ideas, grow your audience, showcase your brand. You can click X on this, and it's going to just take you to the actual dashboard itself. So there's a ton of different things in here, and I'll walk you through this. So the way that works is you're going to have to create a pin. And we want to put an image in here and a text. So let me do that. It says we recommend this is at least 1,000 by 1,500, but I'll just put that. I'm going to put this. Tell everyone your pin's about. Our new merch. Cool. So I can just hit publish on this. I need to create a board for that. MC, I'll just call it. Create. Publish that to this board. Nice. That's us publishing a pin. So one thing we could do from here, if we wanted to, is we can promote that, or we can actually create a campaign. So I'll show you how to do that now. So select where you want your Pinterest Ads Manager in. I'm going to put pounds. I'm going to accept. I can create a campaign here. So there's two types of campaigns. This one, automated or manual. Manual is best for getting it the way you want it. So press get started. It's going to ask what you want. So do you want brand awareness, video views, consideration, conversions? Most people do conversions. For that, we'd have to set up a tracking event, and we'd have to install the Pinterest tag. So the way we would do that is we would put our URL for our website in here. It's going to search that and say, great, you're eligible for Shopify. So we click that, and it's going to ask us to open Shopify. I'm going to press continue, pretend I've opened it. And it's going to get you to select your store. I'm going to do this as we do it in real time. So select the store. Go to apps. We're going to visit the App Store. We're going to type in Pinterest. So I'm going to do that. And there's going to be a little thing called Pinterest. I'm just going to show you this here. It looks like this. I'm going to add the app. I added it to the sales channel. And now lastly what I've got to do is connect the account. So I'm going to do that now. So connect Pinterest account. It's going to bring me this. So I'm going to log in with Google. It says give access like this. Nice. I can click continue. I've given access. Congratulations. It's done. Cool. So this is the tag setup. So what you'd probably want to do from here is you would want to test events like this. So you click complete tag setup. So this is going to take up to 10 minutes. So basically you'd want to test events to make sure it's all working. This is probably going to be okay. Just wait 10 minutes, come back, and it should probably all set up, and you can then test it in here with this test events thing. So we can go back to create. Go back to ads, create campaign. We can go to manual, get started, conversion. Now I can't do this because it's not working, but you'll be able to do that. So consideration. Now in here, we want to put the campaign name, so just keep it organized. So I'm going to say UK 18 to 24, male, clothing, that's the interest, let's say that. We want it active by default. This is for the budget here, so do you want daily or lifetime budget? So let's say the daily budget is $10, means it won't spend more than $10 per day. Run continuously or run on specific dates. You can pick which one. Run continuously is better, but if you don't want to leave it on, run specific dates. Add group names, so you want to also do, you know, keep it organized at UK 18 to 24, male, clothing. So pick which strategy do you want. Reconnect with users, so people who've reacted with your brand. Find new customers, so prospects who haven't interacted with your brand. Or choose your own, so make selections what you want to do. So probably we'll do this one. We want to go down here, so we can use an audience list. So if we've got an audience already, we can use this, or we can do cold targeting with these interests. So let's say we want to do, we're targeting clothing, so we could find the clothing down here somewhere. Men's fashion, let's say this one here is a cool interest. See, it's got 1 to 1.2 million people like that. I'm going to change this to pick specific genders, male, nice. Pick specific ages, 18 to 24, let's say that. Boom, so we got 500, so this is quite a small niche, but that's what we want, Nice, so we can go down here, placement and tracking. We can kind of leave this blank for now, to be honest. Bidding, we'll probably want to keep it on automatic because it's just better, unless you have there are bid cap strategies for scaling and that, but we'll keep it on automatic for now to make it easy for ourselves. Now we want to select the pin that we created earlier, so this one here, we want to add the pin. This is going to be what the ad looks like, and you can change the name in here, whatever. So we can hit publish now, and oh, I need to go to add, so I need to put a destination URL. So destination URL is the final place we're going to send them to. So you want to put the URL to your website, so website.com, and then once you hit publish, it's not letting me do that. I think maybe the URL is invalid. Might have started with HTTP. There we go. So that is valid now. We can hit publish here. What it's going to do is going to ask me to put my billing information in here, and you can put once you put all that in, it'll be approved and ready to go. And that's how you run the ads on Pinterest. So if you enjoyed the video and found it useful, be sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below that it helped. Thank you for watching.